Ready to learn how to write a novel and self-publish it online without using Amazon KDP? In this video, I'm going to take you through the steps. Step number 1 for how to write a novel and self-publish it online without using Amazon KDP is to choose your novel structure. Choose your novel structure. So there's a lot of different ways to write a novel, and one of my favorite methods is Save the Cat by Jessica Brody, but there's a lot of different ones. So just choose your method. Don't guess at writing your novel. Use a writing methodology that's going to structure your novel and make it much easier. One of my favorite novel outline strategies is Save the Cat by Jessica Brody. Save the Cat was written by another guy. I can't remember what his name is, but he was teaching screenplay writing. And you guys know I went to film school. That's what I learned in film school was screenplay writing, 3-act structure. So he wrote Save the Cat based off of that. What Jessica Brody did was she took that screenplay structure and adapted it to novels, and it's so good. So I definitely recommend it for sure. I love it, and she has different variations. So this is for a young adult novel. She just one in 2023. There's one for, I think there's one for romance novels. Like, just check them out. But this is the one specifically that I use, and I absolutely loved it. It's right on Amazon.com. Step number 2 for how to write a novel and self-publish it online without using Amazon KDP is to choose your writing strategy. Choose your writing strategy. Now that you know how you're going to structure your novel and you've written your outline, go ahead and create your writing strategy. So, Stephen King has a writing strategy. Like, there's a lot of authors who share their writing routines online. Just pick one. For me, I like to write in just a couple of days. If you're in God Little Girl, a faith-based author school, you know I like to you see my writing strategy. I teach it to you in the author school. If you'd like to learn my strategy, go to christianauthorschool.com. But just choose a writing strategy that works for you and stick to it and get this book written. There's a lot of different writing routines that you can use, and there's no right or wrong as long as the routine that you choose works for you. But this is one of my favorites. Stephen King in 2020 published this book on writing a memoir of the craft reissued. So actually he didn't do it in 2020, did he? I can't remember when he actually published it, the first edition. I have no clue, but it's really, really good. And if you don't want to read the whole entire thing, there are a lot of YouTube videos with writers who use his routine. So you can just watch their videos to kind of figure out how to do it. But this is just one, and it's a great writing routine. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. But again, like I said, there's lots of different ones. Just look up writing routines on YouTube or look up books and just choose one. Do not guess your way. Don't guess your way through getting that book done. Use a writing routine. Step number 3 for how to write a novel and self-publish it online without using Amazon KDP is to format your book for a print-on-demand vendor. Format your book for a print-on-demand vendor. So in order for us to print these beautiful novels and have them available for sale, we do need to use print-on-demand. Unless you're doing ebooks. If you're doing electronic books, you don't need to do this step. But if you're doing a printed book, like I like having my novels in my hand, you're going to want to choose a print-on-demand vendor. There's a lot that you can use. Ingram Spark, there's KDP, there's Barnes & Noble Press. There's a lot. Like I said, there's a lot of print-on-demand vendors you can use. I just wanted to show you one of them, ingramspark.com. I've never done a tutorial on YouTube using Ingram Spark. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. But if you go to ingramspark.com and you go under publish and click book building tool, it'll take you to this page and they'll literally walk you through the process, cover, layout, file requirements, and print. And all you have to do is log in, click add title, and get started, and they'll take you through the process. So if you're somebody who kind of wants a little bit more support as you're doing it, go through Ingram Spark's book building tool. KDP has something similar. What is that tool that they have? It's like it's the uploader, you guys know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, a lot of these print-on-demand vendors have tools for you to make it a lot easier for you. So again, let me know if you'd like to see Ingram Sparks in one of these videos. So far, I've done press.barnesandnoble.com because I love them so much. But there's a lot of different options you can use. And then finally, step number 4 for how to write a novel and self-publish it online without using Amazon KDP is to publish your book. Publish your book. And to publish your book just means to make available for sale. So I recommend that you publish your novel on your own website because then you don't have to give any print-on-demand vendor 40% or more of your royalties, and you'll be able to have the customer's email address once they purchase from you. This is how you're going to be able to write novel number 2, novel number 3, novel number 4, have book series, you know what I mean? You have to have the customer's email address. And the only way we're going to get that is if we sell through our own website. So let me show you how to very quickly create your own website using Hostinger. I'm so excited to show you how to build your website quickly using AI. A huge shout out to hostingjoy.com. They have sponsored today's video and they've given me a discount code for you guys. Go to hostingjoy.com/godlywoodgirl. Go ahead and pick your plan. I love the business plan. You get multiple websites, and the best thing, 0% transaction fee. So when you make a sale, you actually get to keep it. So go ahead and click choose plan. And then what I love about Hostinger, the longer the period that you choose, the less you'll pay each month. So if you do the 48-month plan, oh my goodness, look at this. Like if you were on Shopify, it would be $29 per month, no matter how long you're on there. I love that about Hostinger. They reward your longevity. And you'll also get free additional months included when you do the longer period plan. And then over here where it says have a coupon code, click that and type in Godlywood Girl, and shout out to Hostinger. They gave me a 10% off coupon exclusive for you guys. Just put in Godlywood Girl and it'll take 10% off your order. So go ahead and click continue. Into your brand name. So I'll put Christian romance novels, and then your description. I write Christian romance novels that encourage women of Christ to pursue their purpose. And then click create a website. And look at this, just like that, we have a website. It's so quick. All glory to God. So if you want to change up the colors, you can. You just click here and go to the color that most matches your brand. You guys know I'm into the purple right now, so I'm going to select the purple, and then I'll click continue. So Hostinger is what you see is what you get. Basically, you just click and add, click and add, click and add. The first thing I'll do is on the left, go to add store and click add store. Click manage products and go ahead and delete these products that they have made for you. I'll just click delete, delete, and then click this blue button, add products. Mine is going to be a print on demand novel. So I'll click physical products. And then here, click upload images. Now I'm going to grab my Young Christian Love front cover. So this is really cool. AI literally wrote this for me, which I love. But the only thing we need to add is that this is print on demand. So I'll do, please note this book is printed on demand through Ingram Spark. It will arrive to your home within 9 to 11 business days. And that way somebody can make an informed decision that they actually want to wait that long. So I'll probably charge like $15 just to make sure I'm making a profit, and turn off show related products. I don't have anything else on the site yet, and I'll click save. Excellent. So our book is listed for sale. So now you can exit out of there, go to home, and we can now modify our front page. So I like to turn off my logo. So I'll click it and just turn it off. Again, Hostinger is what you see is what you get. For my menu, I don't need these extra sections. So on the left, I'm going to go to pages navigation. I'll delete the blog. Now, if you want to keep the pages, okay? Because Hostinger did a great job of making them. Excellent. And then now here, I love this, but I'm going to click edit section. And I'm going to change this to a video. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it. Replace video. And I'm just going to say, find me a romance video. Look at the romantic people. Look at Lou. This is so beautiful. Oh, look at them here. I'll select this item. Oh my goodness. So gorgeous. Love, 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 love. Okay. So then I'm going to add section and then select online store, select single product, and your book will be populated. How gorgeous is that? Now, I don't need these other sections, so I'll just delete those. But again, if you have reviews and things like that, just leave them. Always keep your contact page because you always want to be growing your email list. And then you just have to update this. So this would be Stephanie at, whatever email address. And then once you're done, go ahead and click preview. So you can look at your actual website, make sure you like everything. Isn't that gorgeous? And if you're all good, go back to editor and then click save and then go live. And once you've connected your domain and go live, your store is ready and you are able to start marketing this and selling this. That's how quick this is. Hostingjer makes it so fast for us to get our websites up and running. I've never seen anything like it. So to get started with your website, go to hostingjer.com/godlywoodgirl. Use discount code godlywoodgirl at checkout to take 10% off your entire hosting plan. If you haven't yet started your own book business online, make sure you go to christianbusinesstoolkit.com where I show you how to do it. And in the meantime, don't forget to watch this tutorial for even more information for how to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there.